Okay, so we're about to look into the one bedroom, and it's an available unit. I just want you to see the hallways; they're well lit. It's air conditioned and things like that. And then now my friend is going to actually talk. He was saying some good stuff. I'm like, wait, let me catch that on video. So go ahead.
So this is one of our A1 floor plan. It's a 588 square feet apartment, and I always encourage people to take a look at it because even though this is our smallest one, it's very well laid out. So once people see it, they realize it's more space than what you may think.
This really is good. Usually when I hear 588 square feet, I'm thinking, okay, this is like a studio pretty much. But this isn't a studio. You can see it. It's got a good kitchen area that's over here. And you can, hey, it's got the kitchen area and it's got the lip that you can put some chairs in there too. It's got some nice sized cabinets. So you can definitely put your dishes and pots and pans and things like that, and then of course it's got all the appliances, and then oh yeah, you're got a wonderful closet there, so that's cute, and yeah, this is awesome. So this 588, this feels a lot bigger than 588. Let's look inside here. Oh gosh, yeah, the bedroom. I think you could put a king in here. You could definitely put a king in here. It would probably be a little tight, but you could. And you could definitely put a queen, no problem as well. And it feels awesome. And for the A1, the value of that is really good too as far as the price. So really like this. I was hoping that would be in here. So it's going to have the washer dryer included too. And then look at this, it's going to have a really nice walk-in size closet. This is really good. That was a little bit bigger than I was expecting. And then here is the bathroom and things like this. So this is super cute, and this is a great value. So if you want to be in the area and you just don't want to spend quite as much, this is a wonderful thought. Hey, let's go out in the balcony. It's got a balcony too. You're not missing out. This is awesome. You're just missing out on paying a little extra, but you're not missing out. You've got, and by the way, I see a Tom Thumb over there, a great grocery store. So pretty much you could walk to that. So you've got a great balcony that's out here. So this is awesome. Love this, and really recommend it.